10-minute pain-relieving stretch with the guided stretch strap. Start with the lower back flat, feet against the earth, shoulders drop. Feeling that the lower back is supported, draw the right knee in. Gently bring the heel into your guided stretch strap, and then work the big toe so it's in line with the strap. Exhale and straighten the leg all the way. Feel that the big toe, the ball of the foot, is supported by the strap, and then find a few loops to place your hands in so that the shoulders drop, the upper back lets go. No pressure or tension at all. Just letting gravity do the work as your fingertips rest in the loops. When it feels good, start to straighten the right leg all the way, bringing the leg as far away from the body as you need to keep the leg straight. Once you're convinced the leg is straight, then begin to draw the right leg in towards the body, keeping the straight leg. Feel the stretch through the back of the leg, through the hamstring, into the lower back and the glute. 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Feel the shoulders release a little more on each exhale as the leg comes in a little closer to the body. Flex the toes back towards the face. Kick with the heel. Once you're convinced you've gotten as far into the body as you can, straighten the left leg. When you straighten the left leg, it'll make what you feel in the right just a little more confrontational. Take a deep breath here. Draw the right leg in a little closer if you're able. Flex the right toes a little closer to the face if you can. Then switch the strap just into the left hand, let the right arm drop. Right leg drifts over 2 to 3 inches to the left, just so the right big toe is in line with the left shoulder. Flex the right toes back, keep the right leg straight. This is getting deep into the IT band, releasing tension from the knee, the hip, and the lower back. Allow the leg to come in a little closer into the body if you can. This will intensify the stretch into the right leg. Focus on the breath. Long inhales and deep release of the exhale. Feel the leg come in a little closer. Flex the right toes, intensifying that stretch to the IT band. It'll immediately release the knee and hip, so stay with it. On the next exhale, slowly begin to bend the right knee. Take your time and bring the left hand closer to the foot on the strap if you're able, drawing the right heel in towards the left shoulder and the right knee towards the left shoulder. This will get to the piriformis on the right side, that muscle that wraps into the lower back, the glute, drawing the right knee into the left shoulder, keeping the shin parallel so that it's a 90-degree angle, right knee, and right hip. Draw the right knee in close towards the left shoulder. Take deep breaths here. You're going to feel a lot happening through the right hip and the lower back, but this is what will release lower back pain. 3 deep breaths, in and out through the nose. Feel the breath moving into the point of confrontation. Take a deeper inhale, 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 and exhale. Allow the body to release into the stretch. Take another inhale. And exhale. Allow the knee to come in a little closer. Take one more breath. And then slowly release. Right knee drops towards the right shoulder. Bring the right hand as close to the foot on the strap as you can, finding the loop that feels good to you, and then let the right knee drop wide for half of a happy baby. Let the knee drop so wide that you feel the hip flexor open, the right knee release, keeping the heel in line with the knee as much as you can. Feel the shoulders release, feel the knee drop. 3 quality breaths here. Long inhale and deep exhale. Shoulders drop. Keep the left leg straight and strong. So the left leg is an anchor, allowing the right knee to drop a little deeper. Breathe into the lower belly and the right hip. And then slowly and gently start to straighten the right leg, bringing the hands down low on the loop so you can gently lower the right leg to the earth to meet the left. Release the foot from the strap. Straight legs all the way. Windshield wiper the feet back and forth, and you will notice your right leg is longer than the left. Feel the release in the right hip and the lower back, and when you're ready, arms by the sides, palms pressed. Bend the knees again, feet to the mat. Keep the shoulders as the anchor, chin away from the chest. Press into the palms, gently lift the hips, and scoot the hips towards the heels and lower back down. Keep the shoulders as the anchor. Inhale, lift the hips. Scoot the hips towards the heels and lower back down. Gently draw the left knee into the body as we work the other side. Take your guided stretch strap, work the left heel into the strap, making certain the big toes are in line with the strap as you work to straighten the leg all the way up to the sky. Working the leg as far away from the body as you need to make certain the leg stays straight. Let the shoulders drop. Separate the teeth, release the jaw. A smile is a really good way to do it. Flex the left toes back towards the face and start drawing the left leg into the body as close as you can. You're in control of the intensity in your left hamstring. Keeping the left leg up to the sky, big toe pointed right in line with your nose. Kick with the heel, lengthen through the leg. Take another deep breath here. Draw the leg in just a little closer, get a little more intensity, make certain the leg stays straight, and then straighten the right leg to the mat. Flex the right toes, long legs, shoulders drop, left leg drawing in towards the body a little closer each time. One more breath here. Finding that you're getting as much length through the left calf and the left hamstring, keeping the left hip anchored. Switching the strap into the right hand, bringing the right hand as close to the left foot as you can, and drawing the left leg over to the right for the IT band stretch. Feel the left leg super straight and strong. Feel the release happening through your left knee and your left hip. Flex the left toes back towards the face, kick with the left heel, shoulders drop, and breathe. Long, steady breaths, in and out through the nose. Flex the left toes back towards the face. Try to bring the left leg in a little closer. That will intensify the energy through the left IT band. Keep deep breathing into the stretch. Let the left leg come over a little farther, drawing the leg in a little closer, flexing the toe a little more, kicking with the heel a little more. One more deep, deep breath. You should really feel the magic happening through the left IT band, knowing it's releasing the left knee and the left hip. Gently as it feels good, put a little bend in your left knee and slowly draw the left knee towards the right shoulder. Piriformis stretch. Feel the stretch move into the left hip. Grab as close to the left foot on the strap as it feels good to you. Draw the left knee in towards the right shoulder. Flex the left toes, left leg at a 90-degree angle, ankle, knee, and hip. Drawing the left knee to the right shoulder, bring it in a little closer as that feels good, and you'll feel the instant release through the left hip, the left glute, and the lower back on the left side. 3 more breaths. Deep inhale and exhale. Every exhale, you'll feel the knee release a little closer to the right shoulder. Take 1 more. Deep inhale and exhale. Feel the release on the exhale. Allow the body to ease in on the exhale. And then slowly and gently begin to switch, bringing the left hand to hold on to the loop as close to the foot as you can manage, and allow the left knee to drop all the way out wide. Allow the right leg to be the anchor. Feel the left knee drop, left heel, knee, and hip, 90-degree angle. Keep drawing the left foot down. Just let gravity do the work. Letting the left shoulder drop, the left elbow release, flexing the left toes as much as you can and feeling the body releasing into it. Big deep breaths so the whole body moves with the breath. Take another inhale and exhale. Feel the opening in the space. Ease your way into it, 1 breath at a time. Slowly begin to straighten the left leg when you're ready, holding on to the loops. Gently beginning to lower the left leg down, slow and steady. And then allowing the left leg to slowly release to meet the right. Releasing the strap from the left foot when you're ready. Windshield wiper the feet back and forth, the legs long, the shoulders are the anchor. 1 more time. Bend both knees, feet to the mat, arms by the sides, palms press, shoulders press. Inhale, lift the hips, and exhale, hips towards the heels, release the hips down. Draw both knees in towards the body if that feels good. Hug the knees in tight towards the chest. Take a big breath. And then slowly release. Feet to the mat, arms by the sides. Stay here, take a few breaths. Or if it feels good, allow the legs to grow long and the feet to fall wide, and the entire body to release deep into the earth beneath you, focusing all of your awareness on one slow, steady breath at a time.